Welcome back to Skills to Income. I am your host Mohammed Altamash, and today we are talking about a habit that separates successful digital creators from the ones who burn out. It's the habit of validating your idea before you build it. Because the truth is, it doesn't matter how amazing your product is if nobody wants it. Let's walk through how I validate ideas quickly, quietly, and strategically, using real feedback, not just gut feelings. Why validation matters more than vision. You may love your idea. You may have put hours into making it perfect. But until someone pays or asks for it, it's just a guess. Building without validation is like writing a book with no readers. Validation saves you time, effort, mental burnout, and most importantly, your momentum. So, here are three fast ways to test your product idea before spending days building it. Method 1, the Would You Want This Instagram story poll. One of my favorite low effort tests, the question sticker or poll. Example, I am thinking of creating a toolkit with 30 faceless content ideas. Would you want that? Options, yes, maybe, not really. Follow it up with, if yes, drop a and I'll DM you once it's ready. This does two things. 1. Gauges interest. 2. Creates your first warm audience list. If 10 to 15 people respond, build it. If nobody clicks, tweak the idea or headline. Method 2. Pre-launch waitlist with Kit. Use Kit to build a landing page with product title, short description, sample image or mockup, one line of copy, coming soon, join the waitlist. Then post one reel, one email, one pinned story. If 20-30 people join the waitlist in 48 hours, it's a green light. If not, it needs a better hook, positioning or format. This method works beautifully for 499 rupees products and also for flagship courses hosted on TagMango. Method 3. Offer a pay to join beta group. Here's the boldest, most powerful validation method. Sell the product before you create it. Say, I'm building a faceless content system. It'll be ready in 7 days. Beta access is open now for just 499 rupees. You'll get lifetime updates plus behind the scenes bonuses. Send the product after they buy. You'll validate the idea, earn revenue, get live feedback, and have no risk. That's how I launched some of my best performing digital products. What if nobody responds? Don't take silence personally. It's feedback. If you get no response, try adjusting. The format, PDF versus Notion. The problem it solves, the language, maybe the copy is unclear. The price, the promise. Sometimes a 499 rupees idea flops, but the same idea, repackaged as a bonus to a bigger course, works great. Validation teaches you what people pay attention to. Where I use validation every time I validate before building, Reels scripts, toolkits, swipe files, mini courses, even podcast episodes, this one included. Sometimes it's a story, sometimes a poll, sometimes just a DM me if interested. If 3 people ask, I test it. If 30 ask, I launch it. Simple. My favorite tools for validation: Instagram stories for instant feedback, ChatGPT for rewriting your headline until it hits, Kit for setting up quick waitlists and opt-ins, Canva for mockups that make your idea feel real, TagMango for collecting payments on beta access delivery and building the community, CapCut Plus 11 Labs to create launch reels with ease. This stack makes validation frictionless. Your validation challenge. Here's how to test your next product idea. 1. Write a one-line value promise. 2. Post it as a story with a poll or question. 3. Create a waitlist page using Kit 4. Share it in one reel plus one email. 5. DM the first 10 responders. 6. Optional, offer beta access via TagMango. This whole process takes 1-2 hours and it can save you weeks of wasted time. Thanks for listening to episode 21 of Skills to Income. Validate first, build second. That's how smart creators scale fast and stressless. Screenshot this episode, post it on Instagram, and tag me. You can find the username is mentioned in the description. Next up, we're going to explore how I use ChatGPT and 11 Labs together to create full products in under a day. Until then, stay consistent, stay curious, and always choose freedom.